We'll guide you through how to reply Snapchat messages on Story. Quick disclaimer: skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, unlock your smartphone and ensure that it is connected to a stable internet connection before starting. Open the Snapchat application on your Android or iPhone device and allow it to launch normally. Log into your Snapchat account if you are not already signed in, so that your friends and messages become available. Wait until the camera screen loads completely and all interface elements are ready to use. Swipe left from the camera screen to open the Stories section, where recent updates from friends and subscriptions are displayed. Browse through the available stories and locate the one to which you would like to respond. Tap the selected story to begin viewing it. Continue watching until the reply field or chat icon becomes visible at the bottom of the screen. Tap the message field or the chat icon to start composing your response. Pause briefly while the keyboard appears on the display. Type the message that you wish to send in reply to the story, expressing your thoughts clearly and politely. Review your reply for accuracy, spelling, and tone to make sure it says exactly what you intend. When you are satisfied with the message, tap the send button to deliver your response. Allow Snapchat a moment to process and transmit the message successfully. If you would like confirmation, open the chat screen and verify that your reply appears within the conversation thread. Taking a few extra seconds to proofread before sending can prevent misunderstandings and help maintain friendly communication. If the message does not appear immediately, wait briefly or check your internet connection before trying again. You can repeat these same steps whenever you wish to react to another story posted by a friend. Once the reply has been sent, continue browsing stories or return to the camera screen to use other Snapchat features.